welcome back to my channel. This is Annalie and today I'll be reviewing some amazing cases by Velvet Caviar. So without wasting time, this is the case that I have been having on my 15 Pro Max by the Velvet Caviar. You can see the logo over here. These are some of the cases which I really adore because they provide full protection to your phone and they look really amazing. This is the wallpaper that I'm using presently on my iPhone 15 Pro Max, which I have created on my own. And also this is the cover picture that I have created on my own. You guys can also create your own. I will show you all how to do that maybe in my next video. Also, if you like my wallpapers, that is the lock screen and the home page, then yes, you can go to my Pinterest account and get them for free from there. On my Pinterest account, if you go, you are going to get many ideas that you can check out, and there are something called as a theme wallpaper. So from there you all can actually choose whichever wallpaper you all want for your home screen. Also do follow me on my Pinterest because I will be creating some new home screen and lock screen wallpapers according to whatever the update comes up. So I'm gonna take out this case because I will be putting on my new Velvet Caviar case, and as you can see, all of their cases are MagSafe, so you don't have to worry to use a MagSafe charger. They are really durable and really good quality. So this is the 15 Pro Max I've been using since the month of November, from the time it came out, and I have really been loving it. And this is how my always on display looks like. I have the small emojis over here, and this is actually my countdown for the new Samsung S24 Ultra which I have ordered, and they have said that they're going to start shipping it from the 1st of March. So the wait is really unbearable. The days are like going so slow, I know, but then it's going to be, the days are going to near and my phone will arrive, and I will come up with the unboxing and also review it and compare it with the S21 Ultra which I have. So this is the case that I'll be reviewing today. This is the Zodiac case, that is the Sagittarius case. I am not a Sagittarius, but yes, I really love this case because of its color and the glitter, and I could not resist to that element. It comes in this cute little glitter packaging. So let's do the unboxing of this case. the fact that this case is like a curve over here. It is has the shape like it is curved over here. And if I compare with the Bragg's case, it is not. If I compare with the Bragg's case, it is not curved the same way how it is curved for this case. So I really like the fact that it is little bit thinner compared to the Bragg's case, and it really has that amazing curve over here, which really gives a nice grip for your hand to hold the phone. So let's try it on. I'm not sure if my camera is doing it justice because I'm using the 12 Pro Max to record this video. I usually use my 15 Pro Max, but today as I had to do the unboxing, I had to record on the 12 Pro Max. So friends, I really hope you all enjoyed watching the unboxing of these cases. I am going to leave the link below for you all to order if you all want. Please remember, this video is not a sponsored video, so please do give me your love and support. And thank you so much for all the love and support that you all have given me. Please do give a thumbs up, comment, and also to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos lately, and the unboxing of my Samsung S24 Ultra, which is going to arrive maybe in another week's time. Until then, I'm going to catch you guys next time. Bye bye.